If you're a busy professional who can't seem to find the time to date or prioritize love in their life, this video is for you. I'm Nicole. I'm a dating coach and love mentor, and I help singles navigate the dating world by offering them tools to build their self-awareness and self-love and help them build meaningful connections. I'm going to share 5 really easy strategies that you can start using to start prioritizing and building in dating and love into your very busy schedule. The first thing I want you to do is to prioritize yourself. So this basically means getting into the mindset to say, I'm worthy of love and letting love in, and I'm going to do what I can to actually prioritize that into my life. Because obviously as a busy professional, you're constantly thinking about all the demands that you have to fit into your day. And what I want you to do is now start to think about that as, and I'm now focusing on love and prioritizing love and dating into my life. The second thing I want you to do is to focus on the use of micro dates. And micro dates are a great way to still meet people. So if you're using apps or if you have met people in person, setting up micro dates. So explaining to them that you have a very busy schedule. However, you really do want to see them and offering little small dates during the day. So this could be coffee. It could be using your lunch hour to go and grab a quick bite. It'll go for a walk. So basically just like small little micro dates, but again, being very clear from the get-go that you only have 30 minutes or 40 minutes, even though you would like to spend a couple of hours with them. Hopefully that's something you can do later on if the date goes really well. The third thing I want you to do is basically to continue living your busy life. But I want you to start integrating this idea of dating and love into your daily life. So this isn't really about, throwing out your current schedule and creating a new, completely new schedule and new pressures and demands. No, actually, I just want you to keep doing the things you do, things that you love doing. So if you like to go to the market to get fresh fruit or fresh veggies or fresh produce, whatever it is on a Saturday morning, you go to your local market, keep doing that, but be more open-minded to meeting people and interacting with prospective romantic partners. So go to your local bookstore, find things that really you enjoy to do and keep doing them, but be more open-minded and open to meeting new people. So the fourth thing I want you to do is to sign up for activities that really light you up. So whatever you like to do, whether that's a pub night, whether that's wine tasting, whether that's going to a cooking class, whatever it is that you enjoy doing, I want you to start doing these activities where you can meet like-minded people. People are interested in the same things as you, and there could be maybe possibly someone you find attractive there who's also single, and you can maybe hopefully spark up a conversation there. And the final thing I want you to do is probably something you're already used to doing as a busy professional, but basically to carve out the time in your daily schedule for dating and love. And this time is literally your time. So you want to build as many boundaries around that as possible. Of course, there's going to be some times where you can't adhere to that, and that's totally fine, but really trying to be mindful of building in boundaries that you actually respect, because this is about you. It's about you finding happiness, and you deserve it. I hope these tips are helpful in helping you find love. Make sure you hit the follow button for more dating and love advice.